Welcome to Code Fix, where you learn and enhance your programming experience. In this video we have shared how ModuleNotFoundError No module named module_name. The error message ModuleNotFoundError No module named module_name is typically seen in Python when attempting to import a module that does not exist or cannot be found. This error can occur for several reasons, including the module is not installed. If the required module is not installed on your system, you will get this error. You can install the module using a package manager like pip, for example. Pip install module_name. The module is not in the correct location. If the module is located in a different directory than where your script is running, you may need to specify the correct path to the module in your code. Typo in the module name. Ensure that the module name is spelled correctly. Here is an example of how the error might look. When you run this type of example code, then you will get this error. To fix this error, you should ensure that the required module is installed by using the appropriate package manager like pip. If the module is installed, check that the module is in the correct location or path. You can use the sys.path method to check your path and add the correct path if necessary. Double-check that the module name is spelled correctly in your code. Once you have resolved any of the above issues, you should be able to import the module without any errors. Hopefully this video helps you to sort out the issue you were facing. If you still face problem or need further help, just write in comments. I will reply you as soon as possible. Before you go, if you like this video, you can subscribe for this channel for future videos which can help and assist you further.